Hi there. So, so far we have learned in our previous videos that cell is a basic unit of life and its types are two main types, which are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. And we have learned that prokaryotic cells, they are very small, tiny, and very simple cells. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells are complex cells. Prokaryotic cells are present in bacteria commonly, but eukaryotic cells are present in animals, plants, and fungi. So we will be having a closer look on the eukaryotic cells and what are its types in today's video. So let's dive into it. So, inside the eukaryotic cell, there are so many membrane-bound organelles. So, these membrane-bound organelles we will be covering one by one in detail. First of all, the boundary of the cell. What do we call it as? We call it as a plasma membrane. So, plasma membrane is what? It is actually the boundary of the cell. So after that, after plasma membrane, you can see this gray and the ground matter over here inside the cell. So that is the cytoplasm, which is actually the jelly-like fluid inside the cell, in which all the membrane-bound organelles will be present further. And yeah, some of the cells they can be having cilia, which is actually um, uh, the folding of the plasma membrane only. It gives you the hair-like projections because some cells they actually need hair-like projections to give the substances to pass through it. So that's why they have cilia in them. And then we will be starting with the main organ, with organelle, which is inside the cell called nucleus. We will be covering up nucleus and the other organelles in our next video. Thank you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.